Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Lite. Studio Lite is an innovative experience within Roblox, designed specifically for mobile creators. It empowers you to build, script, and publish your very own games directly from your phone or tablet. This streamlined version makes game development accessible, allowing you to bring your creative visions to life and share them with millions of players, all while on the go. To begin building, you'll find intuitive tools for manipulating parts. You can easily move, scale, and rotate objects to form your desired structures. The Properties panel allows you to customize elements like color and material, giving your creations a unique look. Remember to anchor your parts to ensure they remain in place, preventing them from falling or moving unexpectedly during gameplay. Studio Lite lets you enhance your games by inserting models from the vast Roblox store, adding rich detail effortlessly. You can also explore basic scripting to introduce interactive elements, making your worlds dynamic and engaging. For collaborative projects, the Collaboration Lite feature allows you to share your work with friends, enabling multiple creators to contribute to a single vision. Once your game is ready, publishing it to your Roblox profile is straightforward. You'll use an API key to securely upload and replace an existing public game with your new creation, making it instantly available. This process allows you to share your unique experiences with millions of players worldwide, inviting them to explore the worlds you've meticulously crafted.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.